36 questions, 5 seconds each. Count your score. Let's see how far you get. Let's go. Question 1. Which country does this flag belong to? Your options: A. Japan, B. China, C. India, D. South Korea. It's A. Japan. Red sun on white background. Question 2. What Asian country does this flag represent? A. Vietnam, B. China, C. Japan, or D. Mongolia. Lock it in. It's B. China. 5 golden stars on red. Most people miss that one. Question 3. Guess which nation flies this flag? Is it A. India, B. Pakistan, C. Bangladesh, or D. Sri Lanka? It's A. India. Wheel of Law on tricolor. Question 4. Which of these countries has this flag? Your options: A. Japan, B. South Korea, C. China, D. Thailand. It's B. South Korea. Yin-yang for balance and peace. Question 5. To which country does this flag belong? A. Thailand, B. Cambodia, C. Malaysia, or D. Indonesia. Lock it in. It's A. Thailand. Red, white, blue for monarchy. Question 6. Identify this Southeast Asian flag's country. Is it A. Malaysia, B. Indonesia, C. Philippines, or D. Singapore? It's B. Indonesia. Red over white for unity. Did you get it? Level 2. Level 2. Easy. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 7. Which nation uses this flag design? Your options: A. Singapore, B. Malaysia, C. Indonesia, D. Brunei. It's B. Malaysia. Crescent star on striped field. Question 8. Recognize the country from its national flag. A. Vietnam, B. Thailand, C. Laos, or D. Cambodia. Lock it in. It's A. Vietnam. Yellow star on plain red. Question 9. Pick the country matching this flag. Is it A. Philippines, B. Indonesia, C. Malaysia, or D. Vietnam? It's A. Philippines. 8th race for first provinces. Question 10. This flag is from which country? Your options: A. Singapore, B. Thailand, C. South Korea, D. Japan. It's A. Singapore. 5 stars with crescent moon. That one fools almost everyone. Question 11. Select the correct Asian nation here. A. Pakistan, B. India, C. Afghanistan, or D. Iran. Lock it in. It's A. Pakistan. Crescent and star on green. Question 12. Guess the country based on this flag. Is it A. Bangladesh, B. Pakistan, C. India, or D. Nepal? It's A. Bangladesh. Red disc on green field. Level 3. Level 3. medium, still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 13. Which country is represented by this flag? Your options: A. Sri Lanka, B. India, C. Maldives, D. Bhutan. It's A. Sri Lanka, lion with sword on maroon. Question 14. Determine the country of this unique flag. A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. China, or D. India. Lock it in. It's A. Nepal, non-rectangular with moon and sun. No shame if you missed it. Question 15. Can you name the country for this flag? Is it A. Mongolia, B. Kazakhstan, C. China, or D. Russia? It's A. Mongolia, so Yombo symbol above red-blue. Question 16. Match this flag to its Asian country. Your options: A. Cambodia, B. Thailand, C. Vietnam, D. Laos. It's A. Cambodia, Angkor Wat in center panel. Question 17. Which landlocked country uses this flag? A. Laos, B. Nepal, C. Bhutan, or D. Mongolia. Lock it in. It's A. Laos, white circle on striped bands. Question 18. What country proudly displays this flag? Is it A. Myanmar, B. Thailand, C. Cambodia, or D. Malaysia? It's A. Myanmar, white star on tricolor. Most people miss that one. Level 4. Speed round. 3 seconds per question. Ready? Go! Question 19. This dragon emblem flag is from which country? Your options: A. Bhutan, B. Nepal, C. Sri Lanka, D. Bangladesh. It's A. Bhutan. Thunder dragon holds jewels. Question 20. Which coral atoll nation has this flag? A. Maldives, B. Singapore, C. Brunei, or D. Philippines. Lock it in. It's A. Maldives, white crescent on green panel. Question 21. Pick the correct country for this royal flag. Is it A. Brunei, B. Malaysia, C. Indonesia, or D. Qatar? It's A. Brunei, crest on yellow with wings. Question 22. The black, red, green is the flag of which country? Your options: A. Afghanistan, B. Pakistan, C. Iran, D. Iraq. It's A. Afghanistan, central emblem on vertical bands. Did you get it? Question 23. Which Persian nation flies this tricolor flag? A. Iran, B. Iraq, C. Turkey, or D. Saudi Arabia. Lock it in. It's A. Iran, Allah symbol in red band. Question 24. Guess which country this flag is from. Is it A. Iraq, B. Iran, C. Syria, or D. Jordan? It's A. Iraq, green script on white, black, red. Level 5. Level 5. Very hard. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 25. This green flag with sword is whose? Your options: A. Saudi Arabia, B. Pakistan, C. UAE, D. Oman. It's A. Saudi Arabia. Shahada above crossed swords. Question 26. Which transcontinental country has this flag? A. Turkey, B. Georgia, C. Armenia, or D. Azerbaijan. Lock it in. It's A. Turkey. White star crescent on red. That one fools almost everyone. Question 27. The blue star of David marks which country? Is it A. Israel, B. Jordan, C. Lebanon, or D. Syria? It's A. Israel. Two blue stripes on white. Question 28. Which federation uses these four colors? Your options: A. United Arab Emirates, B. Qatar, C. Kuwait, D. Bahrain. It's A. United Arab Emirates. Red vertical with pan-Arab bands. Question 29. This flag with 9-pointed serration is from A. Qatar, B. Bahrain, C. UAE, or D. Saudi Arabia. Lock it in. It's A. Qatar. Maroon with white serrated edge. Question 30. Which country has the soaring eagle on its flag? Is it A. Kazakhstan, B. Uzbekistan, C. Kyrgyzstan, or D. Mongolia? It's A. Kazakhstan. Golden sun and eagle on blue. No shame if you missed it. Level 6, Level 6, Expert. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 31. Name the Central Asian country of this flag. Your options: A. Uzbekistan, B. Turkmenistan, C. Tajikistan, D. Kyrgyzstan. It's A. Uzbekistan. 12 stars above crescent. Question 32. The red flag with sun is from which land? A. Kyrgyzstan, B. Kazakhstan, C. Tajikistan, or D. Afghanistan. Lock it in. It's A. Kyrgyzstan. 40 rayed sun on red. Question 33. Which country features a crown on its flag? Is it A. Tajikistan, B. Uzbekistan, C. Turkmenistan, or D. Iran? It's A. Tajikistan. Crown with 7 stars above. Question 34. This flag includes traditional rug motifs from? Your options: A. Turkmenistan, B. Kyrgyzstan, C. Uzbekistan, D. Azerbaijan. It's A. Turkmenistan. 5 carpet patterns on stripe. Most people miss that one. Question 35. Guess the isolated Asian state for this flag. A. North Korea, B. South Korea, C. China, or D. Vietnam. Lock it in. It's A. North Korea. Red star in white circle. Question 36. 5 cross design on white from what country? Is it A. Georgia, B. Armenia, C. Greece, or D. Israel? It's A. Georgia. 5 red crosses on white. That's all 36 questions. How did you score? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more quiz challenges.